Hey everybody, so it's been a while since I made a long video and I'm going to show you what we are doing today in the garden to get it ready. So this morning what I am doing is planting my onions and garlic. This garlic is what we grew last year, and the onions I bought from Sal's Old Timey Feed and Seed, and I'm going to rip everything out of the beds. I hate to do it, but it's going to get down to like 37 tonight or tomorrow night, and so it's all going to die anyway. So I'm going to rip all this out and put this in. And this is the winter garden. These are the collards, cabbage, broccoli, and then I put carrot. There was carrots down here, and some of them didn't make it. And the dinosaur kale has not come up. I see some mustard that's coming up over there, and that's probably from last year. So I'll have to get through there and weed all of that. All of the white stuff on the plants is diatomaceous earth, and I have had to put that on there because the cabbage worms, because it's been pretty warm, have tried to eat them. You can see the leaves right there. So this one's doing really well. My husband did fertilize all of this. This is his garden this year, and he put 10-10-10 on all of this twice, and so that's why it's so big. Well, I guess there are still some on there. So that is my pile of stuff that came out. There is a wagon under there. And I'll take that all down to the chicken coop because there are some green tomatoes. And so this is what the bed looks like right now. I'm just going to go ahead and chop down the milkweed. They say you're supposed to chop it down in the wintertime because here we'll have cold and then it'll get warm again, so they could start blooming again. And so this one right here, a lot of people wouldn't plant it because it's squishy, but you can see it is growing. So both beds are now clean. The milkweed is gone. The wagon is full. And I'm going to plant the garlic and the rest of the onions. I'll probably put some lettuce or something. I did leave the hollyhocks. I'm sure they'll die when it gets cold enough, and I left all of this still standing. All of the citrus trees I will put up against that wall after I cut down the lemongrass and the Mexican petunias, because this wall gets a lot of sun, so it'll stay warm enough. Okay, and I have put this netting over the beds because I do have cats and they will dig in the flower beds. So I've just put this over the beds. Can't really see it, so it won't block the sunlight. Thank y'all for watching.